Hello everyone, welcome to ENS Technology. In today's video, I'm going to show you two methods for cleaning the CSME region of the BIOS, Intel BIOS. So here I have a BIOS. First, we will analyze this BIOS in the ME Analyzer. So drag this BIOS on the ME Analyzer and now press enter. And here you can see the version is 14. So it means that is 10th generation BIOS. And here you can see file system state is initialized. So it means that is the backup of the BIOS chip. So now we will close this BIOS. First method is very common method. Mostly engineers use the same method, which I am going to show you. And the second one is the most easy and the small method. So here we have a BIOS and CSME firmware, and here system Intel tool. So in the both method, I will use the same CSME system tool. So let's start the first method. So drag this BIOS on the ME Analyzer. Press enter. And first we will match our firmware backup. So here you can see it is 14.0.47.1545. So here I have a same backup, and the second thing we have to match, that is SKU. SKU is here consumer H. So you can see that is also consumer H, and chipset is H. In the last you can see it is A. So here we have HA. So this firmware is perfect for cleaning the CSME of this BIOS. So now we will open this system tool, flash image tool, Win32 and fit.exe. First we will open this fit.exe. Now click on the files, open, and now we will give the location of the BIOS, backup BIOS. Here we have backup BIOS, just click on it and open it in the flash image tool. So BIOS has opened. So now you can see it has make a folder here with the name of the BIOS. When we open this folder, you will see a decomp folder. So our BIOS has been decompressed in this folder. So go back. Now we will save the setting of this BIOS. So click on the file, click save as, and here you will save a same XML file. So we can change the name if you want. So here we can change the name if you want. So I will give the name settings.xml. Now I will save this file. Now we can close this tool, flash image tool. Okay. Now here we will open this new folder. Here, the COM folder. And here you will see ME subpartition. That is our ME region, CSME region. So go back. So here I will take our new firmware. I will copy this and go to the decomp folder, flash image tool, decomp folder, and I will paste this firmware here. And now what I will do, I will change the name. I will copy the name of the old firmware, ME system firmware. I will copy the name here, and now I will delete this old one. And now I will give the same name to this new CSME firmware and will press enter. So now in the decomp folder, we have changed our CSME firmware with the new one. So go back and open FITC again. Now we will open our settings file. So click on the open, and now we will choose settings.xml, open. So this method is tricky. So now we will click build and the build setting. Here you will see generate intermediates file, that is yes by default. So we'll click on it and set it to no. Close it. And now we can build the image. Here we will click on the build image. Click yes. It is building the image. So now we can close this and discard the setting. You will see out image has been come. New clean ME BIOS has come here. So now we will analyze this BIOS on the ME analyzer again. Drag onto ME analyzer. Press enter. I have opened both BIOS in the ME analyzer. So here you can match both BIOS in the ME analyzer. You can see version is the same. Production, extracted, SKU, consumer age, all the things are same. But here you will see file system state in our new BIOS is configured. And in the old BIOS is initialized. So configure means our CSME is completely configured. Now you can program this BIOS on your laptop. And the size should be same. You can see size is same. So main thing is here version should be same. SKU should be same. Chipset should be same. And our new BIOS should be configured. If it is not configured, so maybe it will not give the correct result. So it should be in the configure mode. That was the first method and very common, very popular method. Now we will see the second method. That is very easy, very easy, and I have tried. First, we will delete this data. I will give this file name first. And now we can delete this settings also. Okay. So in the second method, that is very easy. You just open this fit.exe. Now click on the file, open. And now I will give the BIOS, backup BIOS location. So our Fitzy tool is ready and it has loaded the BIOS. Now just see here. You will see parameters of the description region. And second is BIOS region. The third one is Intel ME and PMC region. So here you can see Intel ME binary file. Double click here and click yes. And again click, I will again click here on the three dots. And here I will give the location of our new firmware. So go back. That is our new firmware. I will choose this. Click open. It is replacing our new firmware in the BIOS. Now we will click on the build button, settings, and generate intermediate files. Click and set it to no. Close it. Build and build image. Click yes. It is building the image and done. Now you can close this, discard, and you can see our new BIOS in CSME has come here. So now we will change the name. Second. And now we will analyze both our new CSME clean files in the ME analyzer. So I will drag both BIOS on the ME analyzer. And now you can see our both BIOS are correct and both are matching. You can see the version is same and file system state, that is the main thing. You can see it is configured here. I have tried this method and got the success. So you can try this method, easy method. So if you enjoyed my video, so please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.